Hello, you are once again welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve this question. A wire 1.5 millimeters diameter supports a mass of 60 kilogram. Calculate the stress. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, so to solve this question, first of all, we should understand what stress means. Okay, what stress means. So, stress. When a material has a force exerted on it, the material is said to be stressed or in a state of stress. If a rod is subjected to a tension, the force per unit area of cross-section of the rod is termed stress. So in general, we can define stress to be what? The force over the cross-sectional area. The force over the cross-sectional area, or the ratio of the force to the cross-sectional area. And the SI unit for stress is what? The Newton per meter square. Okay, so now that we understand what stress is, let's go back to our question, which says a wire 1.5 millimeters diameter supports a mass of 60 kilogram. We should calculate the stress. Okay, so let's solve this question now. So solution. So first of all, we know that by definition, stress is what? The force divided by the cross-sectional area. Okay, all right. So let's solve for the tension of the wire, or the force. Okay, and that is the mass multiplied by the gravitational force, or the force of gravity. Okay, so we first of all find the tension of the wire, or the force, and that is given by the mass times the gravitational force, or the force of what? Gravity. And the mass is what? 60 kilogram times 9.81, which is the gravitational force. And when we multiply 60 by 9.81, we are going to get what? 588.6 Newton. 588.6 Newton. Okay, so let's move on. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we now calculate for the cross-sectional area, and we use the formula pi d square over 4. Pi d is the diameter. Okay, pi d square over 4. So pi multiplies the diameter square over 4. So we have pi to be what? 3.142 times the diameter from the question is what? 1.5 millimeters. So we have 1.5 square over 4. And that is going to give us what? 1.767 millimeters square. So now that we have the tension of the wire, that is the force, and then we have calculated for the cross-sectional area, now we can solve for the stress, or we can calculate for the stress. So stress is equal to what? The force over the cross-sectional area. Okay, and the force is what? 588.6, and the cross-sectional area is also what? 1.767 times 10 raised to the power negative 6. So when you divide 588.6 by 1.767 times 10 raised to the power negative 6, we are going to get what? 333.5 times 10 raised to the power 6 Newton per meter square, which can also be written as what? 333.5 mega Newton per meter square. 10 raised to the power 6 is what? Mega. So mega Newton per meter square. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.